Yo, literally, what is up, everyone? My name is Don, and we're talking about unusual options activity. Alright, another day, another dollar. Alright, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this program are solely the opinion of the show and are not specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence to realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright, everyone, it's super important. I say it a lot. If you don't know your options, if you can't, if you don't know the basic things off the top of your head, I would not be getting into options. It's extremely risky if you don't know what you're doing. I say that a lot, but I'm here to say it again because that's the truth. Alright, everyone. First one I want to bring up. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath here. First one I want to bring up is NIO. So, as you can see here, we have a position these February 19th 62 strike calls. That was a huge amount of volume in NIO. 42,000 contracts, 34,000 contracts, 35,000 contracts. If you come to these February 12th ones, huge amount of volume. 69,000 contracts, 37,000. You guys get the point. 48,000. The buying in here is huge, and it's not really only retail people, because if you come down here, you can see that somebody bought 1,800 of these things at $1,100 each. Someone else came in and got these May 60 calls. It looks like 2 times at the same time here. This is a huge order, $1 million, $2 million orders. So, a hallmark thing of the retail trader here is, aggressive short-term buying. When you come down here, this time and sales here, you can see this is a lot of, this isn't only retail people coming in. You're going to tell me a retail trader's coming in here and putting down $2 million on these trades. It's not only the retail people in here. So, we're in NIO. I brought this one up on the show before. Let's check out the chart. So, this one's had a huge run. This is deep out of the pool here. This is speculative, but I brought this one up around 46 or so. We rode it up to the 60 level. It's kind of traded down. It seems like it always trades up, trades down a little bit, trades up, takes a little bit of a breather, and I think it's going higher. I think it's going to make a new high. It's kind of bouncing off this 50-day moving average here. I think it's going to make a new high, so that's why I bought these calls. All right, now this one is extremely speculative. This is SNDL. If it would load. Sundale Growers. Now, this one, literally, I've been watching this stock since it was at like 50 cents, and I finally pulled the trigger, and we bought the stock on this one. So, huge amount of volume. 150,000 contracts traded. 117,000 contracts traded. 65,000 contracts traded. You guys get the point here. This is a cannabis play. This is very speculative. This stock is about $1.65. If we look at the maximum chart here, it looks like this thing had an IPO around $7.29 of last year. It looks like it hit about $13, traded down to 14 cents. Now it's sitting at $1.65. Like I said, I've been watching this one since it was about 50 to 65 cents, and I did not pull the trigger. We bought the stock on this one. With options, it's nice because you can, take your profit. Let's say you get the 10 strike. You can, take your profits on the 10 strike and roll it up to the 12 strike. Put the profits from the 10 strike into the 12 strike. But you can't do that with stock. So, my plan with this one is, obviously I want it to go up. That's why I got the stock. And my plan with this one is just to, take out my cost basis, at a reasonable level, have a nice profit, take out the cost basis, take out what we paid to put the trade on, and let the rest ride to the moon. These cannabis stocks are really hot. I think I brought up MJ a few weeks ago. That's MJ. That's the cannabis ETF, ticker symbol MJ. And that one has gone from about 22 to 28. And some of these other cannabis stocks are just going to the moon. So we took a flyer on this one. We got the stock. We got NIO, and we got Sundale Growers. So everyone, make sure to do your own due diligence on these ones. Like I said, NIO is not as speculative. They have sales and everything. The Sundale Growers is the deep end of the pool. This is a $1.65 stock. So just be careful with this one. Make sure you do some due diligence on these companies. So thanks to everyone who's been tuning in. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. Make sure to leave this video a like, and let's end the week good. Let's make some good profits for the week, and we'll move on to the next one. Let's go, everyone.